Is dropshipping easy to start? And if it is, then why most of the people starting dropshipping fails? Do you have the same question? Then watch this video because I'm gonna answer it in this video. I know some of you guys tried to start dropshipping and some of you are trying to, and some of you will try to start a dropshipping store in the future. So before you start, I want you all to know one thing. That is, dropshipping is not easy. Now let me elaborate it. Dropshipping is a easy to start business. What does that mean? For example, let's say if you want to start a restaurant business. So if you are starting a restaurant business, you need an infrastructure, right? You need chefs, you need a manager, you need a proper staff, you need proper management, and also you need a good place where traffic comes so that you can get orders per day and you can get profit at the end of every month. So basically, to start a restaurant business, you need a good amount of investment and a good amount of resources, and you yourself have to go to your restaurant and monitor everything for a few days or even for a few weeks. So basically, this business has a big starting barrier because you need a good amount of money, resources, and everything, right? But in drop shipping, you can start your drop shipping store within 1 hour. So basically, if you want to start drop shipping, you can have your own drop shipping business, set it up in the next 1 hour only. You just need to buy a domain and make a Shopify store and then connect them both, and boom, you are live and you are ready to get traffic and sell your services or products. Well, it isn't that easy as I made it sound, because yes, drop shipping is an easy to start business. As I said, you can have a domain and a Shopify store and you can start, you can invest some money too and you can start. But the thing is, drop shipping is a hard to maintain business. Now let's get back to the restaurant example. Now let's say you started a restaurant and it is working well now and people are coming to restaurant, you are getting good amount of orders and you have a good staff, good infrastructure, everything is set it up. Now your business is running. Now you do not have to much worry about it because your business is automatically growing day by day, and you do not need to put much effort as compared to what you need to put in drop shipping. Because in drop shipping, it is easy to start, but it is very hard to maintain, because from getting your first winning product, your first order, to all the way handling to supplier, to all the way fighting for chargebacks, refunds, returns, and managing your customers, everything is so hard. It is not easy when you are growing your business in drop shipping. There is so much things to look around. When you hit certain numbers a month, you need to get an inventory in that particular country. So for, let's say, if you're drop shipping in the US and you are reaching 6 figures every month, then you need to have an inventory in the US for getting returns and for faster shipping times. So basically, as you grow your business, you need to put more and more efforts in your dropshipping business. Now, inventory is a very big thing. Now, let me give you a very small example. Let's say you got 10 orders, you got profit, and you got some money, you are happy, but it's not end because the customer hasn't received the product and they are waiting for your product. They are waiting for 20 days, 25 days. And because of this much time the shipping takes, the customer will email you tens of times or maybe call you, and you have to respond them in time, or else they will start a dispute or a chargeback in PayPal or in Stripe, whatever you use, and you will end up losing money. You must have also heard about the PayPal chargebacks and PayPal holds. PayPal hold your money for 21 days and even 180 days. If they think that you are doing something suspicious, they can even cancel your account and hold your money for 180 days. Facebook Business Manager account gets banned, they get cancelled. So basically, there are so many hurdles in this journey. When you start growing your business, there are so many challenges that you are going to face on a daily basis. Now, one of the biggest problem which I've seen with the beginners is that they start drop shipping, they get some sales, a few sales, 10 or 20 sales, but after a certain time, when they don't get any sale for 3 or 4 days, they just stop everything and they say, okay, drop shipping is not working for me, drop shipping is dead and whatever, because drop shipping needs a lot of patience. But on a good side, drop shipping is easy to start, and yeah, I mean, it doesn't hurt when you lose a few $100s in product testing. Then you lose a good amount of money in trying a restaurant business or any other business which have a good amount of investment. I think drop shipping totally worth it. it when you are a beginner and you are trying to make money, as it contains very low investment and a very short entering barrier. But always keep in mind that this business is not easy. Once you start growing your business, there are new challenges waiting for you to come on the stage, on the level, and then they will hit you so hard that you might fall, but you do not have to. You have to stay strong and fight all the challenges. But let me tell you one thing, it's totally worth it, because challenges are in every business, right? It's also in restaurant business, it's in drop shipping, it's everywhere. So don't be scared of what I'm saying. I'm just trying to tell you the truth. And if you are the one who is thinking that drop shipping is easy and you just need to get order and you will make money, this business is not for you, because this business is more than finding a winning product and getting orders. You need to create a brand. You need to give them quality service so that they buy from you again. So if you are one who is thinking drop shipping is easy, you need to think again. My motive to create this video is just to let you all know that drop shipping is easy to start business but hard to handle. So if you're ready to face all the challenges that are going to come in the future in your drop shipping journey, then yeah, you can start drop shipping. But if you are afraid of them, if you are afraid of talking to people, if you are afraid of your customers, then I highly suggest you guys to please rethink and prepare yourself well before you enter drop shipping. But if you are really an entrepreneur and you think, yes, I will fight the challenges, then yes, drop shipping can be worth for you and you can absolutely try drop shipping. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you got some value in this video, and if you did, then do drop a like in this video and subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification icon, because I drop quality content about drop shipping and e-commerce in this channel. And yeah, till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.